Hey guys, what's up? It's Sean, Autotopia LA. Today I'm here with Roman, and we're here with Roman's 33 Ford. So tell me about your car.
This is a replica hot rod. The first thing came out online, it's a kit car.
Right.
And it was the best and right choice for me at this point.
Right.
Took me 3 years to put it together. Yeah, got help for the engine and the body. Everything else I done, everything in my garage, help with my son.
Yeah, and this is it's a factory 5 kit, so you can go straight to factory 5, buy the kit, and if you can figure it out, you end up with a version of this. You've done it to your taste.
Yes, after you put your order, 3 months later, you will have a huge truck in your driveway with 40-50 boxes of parts. So you do all your inventory and you start step by step.
Yeah.
Building the chassis first, then the suspension, engine. This is 347 Strucker. It's a Ford engine.
Great.
Yep, well, it's carbureted.
It is carbureted. I couldn't tell if that was EFI or...
it's a carb. Yeah, it's carbureted. Very minimal stuff on it, just alternator and a water pump. That's it.
No AC?
No AC, no heater. No heater, no AC, no windows.
Okay. What kind of power do you make out of it?
On the flywheel, I got about 450.
Okay.
And about 365 on the wheels. I just did dyno like a few weeks ago.
How much at the wheel? 360?
365.
365 at the wheel, and the car weighs?
2,000 pounds. Too fast. I think it's way too fast.
Yeah. You definitely got power in favor on the power to weight ratio.
Yes, for sure.
Yep.
But I like it.
Yeah. And what are these? Is that Dapper lights or is that another company?
This is just generic lights from Amazon.
Oh, got it.
7-inch. Yeah.
God bless Amazon, man.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, you can find everything.
$100 lights. I think they look good on this build together.
They do. I love this. It looks like the radiator and grill looks like it's floating out on front of the car.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's a cool look.
This is what, like, I think the signature of hot rods.
Yeah,
right
totally.
Here, right.
And did this radiator come with the car, or is this?
Yes.
It did. Okay.
Basically, kits come with a chassis, with a body, front suspension, radiator, grill, steering control. That's it.
So what transmission is?
This is Mustang C5 World Class transmission, 5-speed.
Okay. And then what rear end you made it to?
Also Mustang 8.8 posse.
Sure.
And I also used the McLean clutch.
Okay. And then the suspension, I absolutely love your cantilever suspension.
Yes, a lot of engineering put on this one. Yeah.
And that's adjustable, I take it.
This is adjustable. This is I did the upgrade of it. This is upgraded. This is Q&A front and rear suspension shocks. So
what do you have, like a 5-way adjustable?
10.
10. Really?
Yes.
And you got that on front and rear?
Front and rear, yes. Wow. If you want a softer ride, you put everything on 0, so it's floating.
Yeah.
If you want to drag race, so you put everything
stiffen it all,
and it's almost like you don't have any shocks on anything.
Sure. And then what'd you go with for wheels?
Well, wheels are, this is XXR wheels.
Okay.
Mostly like go the GDM cars.
Okay.
So and the Toyota tires. I think it looks good on this car.
Is it the R888 tire? The stickies. They're really sticky, aren't they?
Very sticky, that's right.
It's a great tire.
Right. I also did upgrade in interior. There's custom gauges from Speed Hot, the company who does custom gauges.
How do you open the door?
Yeah, so suicide door.
Oh, it's suicide.
This way.
Badass.
Welcome.
I love that. That's so cool, man.
Yeah, so...
Wow, pretty interior.
Yeah, this is what done in a Foster store. And as you can see, like red lines here, and red gauges. Which
you guys can tell, I definitely like red stitching, man.
Me too.
By the way, I love that.
Yes.
And the car's set up for that already? It's already cut?
Yes, but unfortunately many builders, many guys who build these hot rods, they do it in the back exhaust.
Yeah.
So this was the first thing I cut out in the body, was this one, because I want exhaust come out from the side.
I'm such a side exit guy. I know it adds to the noise in the car and stuff, but
noise, smell.
You don't buy this car to be quietly cruising.
Not at all.
You want it to be loud and obnoxious.
Not at all. This is my weekend car. So
yeah. Awesome, man. Yeah. Boy, it looks like you got some pretty fresh tires on.
Fresh tire, about 1,000 miles. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so with the R888s, then you only got about 1,500 left.
I know.
Cool. I like the so your license plate, I noticed that your Instagram's the same. I build one.
I build one, right? Yeah. So that's the same place. It was available. Why not?
Right on.
Right.
And then this is, I know Paul asked earlier, that's not rumble seat. That came later, didn't it?
Exactly.
Rumble seats were
I
later.
think it came later. Yeah, this is just a regular trunk right here with a fuel cap right there.
Ah.
Yep.
So where's your fuel tank at?
Fuel tank is right here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a custom made. It's not from factory 5. I ordered from other company.
Got
Aluminum, custom, so more capacity.
Really cool, man.
Yeah,
and then you did this car that you had the courage to, because I say courage because I gotta be honest, dude, I would not even attempt to do this myself.
Well, I really want to build something like unique.
Yeah.
And like I said, spent a lot of time in the garage, and I dropped the build a couple times because I can't put it all together. Plus family stuff, this regular life.
Sure.
And this is how it's ended up. I'm pretty happy. I like it. I got a million smiles and thumbs ups everywhere I go. Yeah,
that's awesome.
I'm pretty happy with the build.
I'm curious, one thing we didn't touch on is the chassis.
Right.
Does the chassis already come fully assembled?
Full assembled.
There's no welding needed on your side?
Not at all. No. You have to put together just a front suspension.
Yeah.
4 links for the rear end in the back. That's it.
It is a 4-link rear.
4-link rear. Yes. Yeah. There's an option actually. You can do 3-link or 4-link.
Just neat, man.
Yeah. We'll put brakes on this because the car is too powerful, so I have to stop it fast. It's 6 piston in the front, 4 piston in the back.
Plenty. That'll get you stopped for sure.
For sure. Yeah.
Well, I tell you what, man, I am so curious at this point can we take it out for a little ride? Obviously, I'm not going to drive with these big boots, but
Okay.
I'd love a ride with you if you don't mind.
Got it. Let's
Cool.
go.
Let's do it. Ridiculously loud though.
No.
It's not as loud as I was but I'll bet when you're getting on it, it probably gets loud, huh?
Yes, a little bit more.
Well, you can tell the steering really is tight, isn't it? Plus you got those big fat tires.
Exactly.
What size tires are those? Do you know the fronts and rears?
Front is 18, rear is 19.
And what's the width on
Width, this one 325.
Oh, wow. You got some meat back there.
Right, a lot of meat.
And what's this, like 285 or something?
285, yeah.
Yeah. So you've had this car complete for how long now?
It's gonna be a year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And it took you 3 years
to build.
So you're almost 1 year done.
Yes.
And you get it out and enjoy it with your son?
Yeah.
Do you just have one son?
And my daughter is 4.
Okay. Does she ever go in it? Not yet?
She sits in the car, yeah. My wife said no, she doesn't want to go.
Maybe when she's a little older, she'll give her a chance.
She wants to, yeah, maybe next year for sure.
Yeah, sure. All right, you guys, that is it for our shoot of this 33 Ford. Yes, it's not a real 33 Ford from 1933, but it's a very well done factory 5 kit. But what I love about this is that it's not like a puzzle that just pops together. It actually took some work. This was a 3-year process of getting this car to the stage that it's in. The fitment of the doors is perfect. All the gapping's right. The sounds are exactly what you want this to be. And the look, I mean, look at this thing. It's a murdered out hot rod that Roman gets to go drive and enjoy regularly. And I love the fact that he's getting his young son into hot rods rather than into whatever the flavor of the day exotic super hyper mega car is. I think this is cool. So I hope you guys had fun with us in this one. As always, I say thanks for hanging and watching and supporting what we do. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next episode. All right, man. Later.